We have the front door, nice blue wall. This is new. This console thing is here. The whole wall colors are new. And there is a carpet right here. Got these, what are these, French doors for the bathroom. The bathroom is the same. The tiles right there, classic. Very bright bathroom. I'm all about the brightness. Carolina water, of course. And then we do have the nest right there. Nice bright shower. Got the metal knobs. And then we come out to the rest of the room. Let's see how the lighting is. But yeah, look, it is a new decor. It's definitely more modern, but still kind of a southern style coziness. And these are very small rooms, of course, still. Got the modern TV. And there's a mini fridge right in here. Or chiller, whatever you may call it. Nespresso. Yeah. This is the new updated rooms at the Carolina Inn.